Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, child safety locks, trip computer, audio, internet radio, Pandora, power brakes, power windows, audio radio, touchscreen display. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.